Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to upload 60-second videos on TikTok. Although TikTok recently allowed 15-second videos only, but now users can easily record and share videos of 60 seconds. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your TikTok account and press on the plus button on the main toolbar. Once the camera screen opens, find the 60 seconds option on the bottom menu and click on it. Now hit the button in order to start recording a 60-second video. Undoubtedly, you can record a shorter video than 60 seconds. In case to stop recording, simply tap the button. After that, click on the checkmark button and you will be moved to a window where you can edit your video. So add music, use various effects and filters, write something or insert stickers if you want. Once your video is ready, press on the next button in the bottom right corner of the screen. The only thing left to do is to upload your video on TikTok, so hit the post button. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to upload 60-second videos on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.